Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world and the Off-Grid Project and DIYT video community. I'll keep this video brief. It's just a bit of information. I have something for you guys. Actually, I want to give something back. You may remember a while, 2 years ago, I did the shared mining platform, and that was such a huge success that I had to turn people away. It was overwhelming, the amount of response I got, and I was actually turning people away because it was too much. That was back in the peak of cryptocurrency, when mining with a computer, with hardware, was very profitable. Those days are sort of fading, still there, but they're sort of fading. You can get free cryptocurrency and earn a passive income with the offer I have here. DIYTube, along with Cryptocurrency Ocean, it's a website I mentioned before, have a very, very unique website in place. It's called a masternode mining pool. You don't have to know anything at all about what I'm talking about to get involved. Go on and sign up on the website. The link's down below. Read the article that I have on here on the link below. It'll explain things for you. I'm just going to keep this video brief. Get $2 for free credit, which gets you started mining for free. With a few simple mouse clicks, it's all it takes. Sign up, get your free credit, click the plan, and start earning free cryptocurrency. That easy. The reason is we want to get the word out about DIYT Coins and also about the masternode mining pool and rental. It is very unique, and everything else is running behind the scenes for you. Everything is running. The servers are running, the software, the hardware, we take care of all that for you, and we get you started for free. So get on there and get some free cryptocurrency and start earning a passive income. Very, very simple. There is no skills, no knowledge necessary to do this. If you can move a mouse around the screen and type a few letters and get your information in there, you can start earning a passive income. That's it. The reason we want to promote DIYTube, we want to get you guys out there, we want to give you some coins, because when this goes to the moon, as they say, takes off, we want you to be involved, because you guys have been with me so much through all these years. Everybody can get a piece of the pie now. And very briefly, masternode mining is simply running a program on a computer, and you earn coins for doing so. And these I'm going to share with all of you guys to get them out there in your hands. You don't even have to run anything on your computer. Just sign up, a couple mouse clicks, boom, you're earning a passive income with DIYTube Coins. Check it out, guys. Read the links below. And I do have some videos coming up. I have been very busy programming, so I have some of my normal homesteading videos, so stay tuned for that. Talk to you later.